I'm really glad that you guys are all here and I hope that you guys enjoyed my first performance. Pero mamaya madami pa ako ipa-perform para sa inyo na. Kaya, yeah, I think someone's gonna come in. Saan ba siya?
What? Annyeonghaseyo! Grabe naman yung usok. Parang, diba? Annyeonghaseyo! Ayan. So, ayun, magpapakilala muna kami. Hi, Crayons! I am Eman! Sino nga? Ano yung pangalan ko? Ano yung pangalan ko?
Kami namang fans!
Diba? Ay, ikaw naman. Sino ka ba?
Sayang Crayons, hello! Mag-ingat! So ayun, sa mga hindi nakakilala sa akin, I am Vince.
Yes!
Ganda naman.
Ayan, diba?
Gaganda naman.
Yes! Ayan! So great! How does it feel like na grabe yung birthday mo Dito tayo sa Viva Cafe. Like, napuno natin yung Viva Cafe just for your 21st birthday.
Partida, sinolo niya pa to. So anong feeling na sinolo mo yung
Totoo.
Talaga naman.
It feels really surreal to be here kasi alam naman natin that Viva Cafe is really expensive.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Anyway,
Amazing.
I'm really happy kasi I get to celebrate my birthday here kasi supposedly we had other plans, di ba?
Yes,
Pero,
grabe.
actually this was the first choice.
Yeah.
The first choice.
Oh.
But it's,
Yung second choice kasi namin mag-Hong Kong yung crayons.
Oo, hindi pa tayo dapat eh. May balak ba? May sasama ba?
Kaya ng budget, Hong Kong. Kaya ba ng budget?
Ay,
Kaya. Ay, ikaw naman, partner, baka may question ka for Grace?
So yun yung question ko na for today is, ano naman yung feeling mo na, ayun nga, debut mo ngayong, sabihin natin sa 13 talaga, and sineselebrate natin yung kasama natin yung mga crayons at yung mga bagong mukha din.
Yes.
Actually, I'm really happy kasi nga, it's my 21st birthday. Oh my God, I'm so old. Anyways, pero, I'm still very happy kasi even sa 21st birthday ko, sa debut ko, andito pa rin yung mga crayons, mga twinkles. Kaya, thank you guys so much for coming here. I love you guys so much. And I might be speaking in English most of the time now kasi there are like international fans here as well. Kaya I hope you guys can adjust.
Ayan. Pero ikaw, Cray, like, in a scale of 1 to 10, like, did you expect this to be this big? Yan.
Honestly, as a Viva Cafe na ano, yung venue, hindi.
Right?
Kasi parang, of course, with the help of our sponsors, shout out to the sponsors.
Shout out to the sponsors natin dyan.
Yeah, because of them. Oh, and of course, because of you guys, mga Crayola Teams, you guys have nangyari to. Kaya, though hindi siya talaga nakakaano, hindi ko siya in-expect. Pero we're here right now and I'm really happy. I'm just happy.
Yes, and with that, we're just starting because right now, nafe-feel ko na we're all excited. And syempre, hindi mawawala yung partner namin.
Sige, go! Kayo na.
Hindi. Ayan, syempre, hindi mawawala yung games natin. Even though this is a show, we want you guys to experience the interaction, not just with Gray, but with also the other people idols na hindi nila alam na maglalaro sila for this video.